Hi, this will be a short video showing a couple of new features you can find in FlowStorm 368, which I find useful when debugging or trying to understand a codebase. I'll be using this toy wave application for it, which is pretty straightforward. You hit this URL with some location and temperature parameters, and you get a bunch of weather alerts. So let's say we're interested in understanding how the application handles the location parameters because we think there could be a bug related to it. So let's run this and take a look at FlowStorm to see what happened. So one thing we can do is start stepping over the entire execution flow until we see something location related. This will probably get us there eventually, but it could be tedious. So let me show you a couple of tools that will make this much easier. The first tool we're going to use is the search bar. We can type any text on the search box and the debugger will take us to the next recorded expression where its serialized value contains the text we type. We also have some knobs here to control how deep that serialization should go. We will leave the default values for now. Let's hit enter and see where it takes us. As we could imagine, it takes us to the first request map expression, which makes sense. Let's inspect this request map. And yeah, here we see the location params we put in the URL. Now, let's select the latitude, for example, and use one of the new controls at the top. These are value following controls. Clicking on it will move the debugger to the next expression that uses this value. It will do this by searching for this value on the recording timeline by using object identity. There is a piece of code extracting it from the query params and parsing it as doubles. Now let's look at the parsed value and use the same controls, which are also available on the code window, to keep following this value through our code base. As you can see, it jumps right into the get weather forecast. Looks like it is building another query string to hit a different service. As you can see, with these two features, we were able to move around our execution much faster than single stepping or poking around. And yeah, that's all. I hope you find this demo useful. Bye bye.